How to upload high quality story on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner, and from this given list, click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down till you find a section that says your apps and media, and from there click on data usage and media quality. This page will open up, in which you will see the second section that says media upload quality, and it has an option to upload at highest quality. As you can see here, it tells you always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So the next step from here is to click on the toggle next to this option to turn it on. And by doing that, all of the stories that you will upload will be uploaded at their highest quality possible. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload high quality stories to Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.